You start already.
Hey guys, I'm Tiff.
I'm John.
And welcome to our new place.
So this is a two-bedder and we'll take you on a walk through our home tour.
As you come in, you see it's a really long corridor, and this actually has a little seat place for you to wear your shoe. You have to be this wide. Like John has to open the door to wear his shoes. So this is where we prep everything before we head out. And all this are actually shoe racks. Put mostly John's shoe because I only have very little shoes. He's a caterpillar. Right, John? This is a little corner where we put all our display pieces. Call us artists. So for the whole shoe rack color, initially it was black color from the previous owner, but then we wanted Nayu Feng, so we actually laminated over to milky white color, which gives a really cozy vibe that we wanted to. Same as the door, we also actually laminated this brown color door as our main gate to this Nayu Feng vibes. This is our guest bathroom. You can literally do your business without entering my house. So for those people who wants to come my house to see and give the excuse that you're gonna use my bathroom, I'm gonna conceal here so that you only can see the bathroom. This is what I like about this place. There's this really long corridor. And John is gonna bring you to the kitchen. This whole house has no interior designer. The interior designer is Tiffany. And this whole house is based on Nayu Feng, which is what I like because
Free design.
Because it actually gave a very cozy, homely vibe and a very clean slate, clean vibe. If you realize later, there's no painting hanging up. We are the art piece.
No nails.
No nails. So this is the open concept kitchen, and it's really suitable for me and John because we don't really cook that much, but we cook daily now since eating out is rather expensive, and it's pretty cute to cook together, right?
Not too bad. So moving on, we have a concealed fridge. So this is actually concealed, so it saves a lot of space. We have the standard appliances. We actually have a Tefal small rice cooker. This is actually pretty cute, but the fun fact is that it takes 40 minutes to cook rice, while normal rice cooker takes 20. So we didn't know that before we buy it, so please take note. We have a very special drinking water Filken tap. Gives hot water, cold water, depending on the degrees and all if you want it. As you can see, we laminated this space as well. Previously it was black and we went with the same colorway as the shoe racks, so to match the house theme as well. But can you guys guess where is our washing machine? It's actually concealed here. So this saves space as well. And a subtle insert will be our Owala bottles. So Owala, you can actually sponsor us more water bottles for sports, maybe. So let us move on to our living space.
You guys didn't realize that our floor is actually tiles, and we did a heavy machine cleaning with Purely Clean solution. So they have post-renovation cleaning and they do have regular cleaning, which I'm gonna sign up for our house on a bi-weekly basis. They really clean every corner, every edge, and things that I will not even clean it on my own. So I would recommend getting a post-renovation clean up rather than do it on your own. So this is our TV area. This TV is the Samsung frame TV, which is also an art piece in our house because our space is rather small. So we want to have like a huge art piece in our house where we are able to watch the TV. This is John's favorite corner because he loves to watch soccer and everything else. So we actually spend most of our time here.
This is actually our sofa area and specially requested by Tiff. We had to pay a lot extra for a recliner sofa that looks like this, as you can see.
So friends, if you are drunk at my place, you can sleep on my sofa.
Let us move on to the balcony.
No.
No?
And then I actually did a really cute thing that John didn't know. And let me demo it. Hey Gogo, let's go!
Please keep your phone away, as our movie is going to start. Thank you.
I guess it's movie time.
John didn't mention, but I think it's a huge mention that I need to say. This is my favorite rocking chair from Night and I really love it. It will not make you fall down. As you can tell, this is a motorized curtain and we got it from Golden Leaf Curtain Center. It's actually really cool. We are able to connect with Google as well. So we just have to say, hey Google, open public Google. I think we need to have a sponsor of Google Home. This is really old. It's taking my instruction really slow. And as you can tell, the curtain has ripples, which is really pretty. We decided to make it one-sided instead of two sides because our balcony door opened this side, so it can block more of our balcony door. And let's head to our balcony. Our cute little balcony, we actually do it al fresco here. We tend to have steamboat, and I'm waiting for my grill pan to come so we can have our little steamboat and grill pan session here. This zip track is together with the house, so it's not automated. We just have to put it up and down, which is fine. The most used case of our balcony is actually the drying rack. This is from Taobao. It's really good if you stay in like a small apartment. You can actually pull out the leg and then you can just hang everything, literally your whole life. Hang your life here. Nice. So this is a 90 cm dining table. As you can tell, there is only 3 chairs. So we are only inviting extra one friend. Yep, you cannot have a partner. We like Steve. You know who is Steve?
As we move on from the dining area, as we have a lack of space in the place, so we did conceal our robots here for house cleaning purposes. So as you can see, this is where we refill all the water, etc. But the cupboard can be closed so that the robot can actually exit on its own and enter on its own from here. So it's actually pretty saving, I guess. And we have our vacuum cleaner here as well. And it's actually self-sucking in a sense that after you suck all the rubbish and hair and Tiffany's hair basically, you actually let it go on its own and it's vacuum packed, and you don't have to really clear it on your own for like maybe 3 months or so. So let us now move on to the bedroom.
So this is our study room where John actually hang out the most again. He's always hang out in the other room except the bedroom. This is our study table, which we got it from Tableholic. It actually has dual motor, so it's really silent. This is my desk and this is his desk. My chair is actually from OSIM. I got it on my own. It's not sponsored, by the way. It's really good. I tried it 5 times before I buy. And this is my proud sponsor for my OSIM chair. Well, his is the Secret Lab chair because he said that he loved it. So he also gotten one Secret Lab chair, as you can tell. Tableholic table is really good because the one that I gotten is only 1 meter, which is really rare in the market, Singapore's market. So our total dimension is actually 2.2 meter, which we are able to put like a little holder in the middle to place our little bag. So I think this is a thumbs up. So on my side of the table, you also have a dresser, which is from Taobao. I bought this night-end mirror to conceal the ugly router. I have no place to put the router. Can you guys give us some suggestion where to hide the router? But anyway, it's hidden really well, like this. And this dresser actually has like a chair area for you to sit down. So I really love it.
As we can't reach for the blinds in this room, we opted for motorized Korean blinds. As you can see, there's two types of designs. We can actually have it all the way up, or we can have it in the half mode, where it's actually some light coming in and it's still not too bright for our eyes as we are facing the sun in a sense, usually only in the morning. So now let us move on to our master bedroom.
So this is our master bedroom. It's really cozy in size. Our queen size bed actually occupies 90% of the space. So we actually also opt for motorized curtains. It has the blackout and the daylight curtain. So the curtain, right, you can control via the app. They also have the remote control. It uses the Smart Life app, which a lot of appliances are actually using it. I will actually link all of them down below, so you can actually take a look. And this bed is actually from Slumberland. We customized the headboard because John really needs a headboard.
This is a round headboard, so it's a bit more unique than the usual square ones.
Why you need a headboard?
For visual purposes, aesthetics.
Do have a little side table from Taobao, yes, and this is the humidifier from Ayuga. The last part of the house, which is...
Welcome to our master bedroom toilet. As you can see, we wrapped the master bedroom doors and the toilet doors in the same theme as well. And it's just a very basic toilet. It's nothing much to shout about. Very huge, 2 mirrors, shower area, rain shower, etc. So that's about it. Don't want to bore you guys further.
So that's the end of our home tour of our 2-bedder, 2-bath.
Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and please like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye!
Bye!